When it comes to finding the best architectural designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd. stands out as a top choice. As one of the leading architectural design firms in the area, SCON Design has a reputation for creating innovative and visually stunning designs that meet the needs and preferences of their clients. With their expertise in architectural design, they have successfully completed numerous projects in HBR Layout and have gained the trust and satisfaction of their clients. SCON Design is known for their commitment to delivering the best architectural designs in HBR Layout. They understand that each project is unique and requires a personalized approach. Their team of highly skilled and experienced designers work closely with clients to understand their vision, requirements, and budget. By combining their expertise with the client's ideas, they are able to create designs that not only meet their functional needs, but also exceed their expectations. What sets SCON Design apart from other architectural design firms is their attention to detail and ability to think outside the box. They believe that every design should be a reflection of the client's personality and style. With their creative approach, they are able to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, SCON Design is dedicated to creating designs that are visually appealing, functional, and sustainable. Another reason why SCON Design is considered one of the best architectural designers in HBR Layout is their commitment to quality. From the initial concept to the final execution, they ensure that every aspect of the design meets the highest standards. Their meticulous attention to detail ensures that every element of the design is carefully considered and executed with precision. This commitment to quality is evident in their finished projects, which are not only aesthetically pleasing but also structurally sound and durable. When it comes to finding the best architectural designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd. is a name that stands out. With their expertise and commitment to delivering exceptional designs, SCON Design has established itself as one of the leading architectural design firms in the area. Their team of highly skilled architects and designers are dedicated to creating innovative and functional spaces that meet the unique needs of each client. Whether it's residential or commercial projects, SCON Design has the knowledge and experience to deliver outstanding results. SCON Design is known for its attention to detail and ability to transform spaces into beautiful and functional environments. Their architects have a deep understanding of the latest design trends and techniques, allowing them to create spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical and efficient. With a focus on sustainability and energy efficiency, SCON Design ensures that their designs are not only visually appealing but also environmentally friendly. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered one of the best architectural designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore is their ability to understand and cater to their clients' specific requirements. They take the time to listen to their clients' needs and aspirations, ensuring that every design they create is tailored to their unique preferences.